Today I am making a really fun dessert that is so easy to make and is absolutely delicious. So I've got a box of yellow or golden butter, which is what I'm using, a cake mix, 1 egg, and this is half a cup of butter that I've melted down. And we're actually just going to be creating this kind of slurry-ish crust for our very first layer. And once that's done, look, your hands are going to get kind of messy in the beginning, but trust me, all of that eventually does come off your hands. So just go ahead and just pat that in and smush down what's kind of gone up the sides, just to kind of make it look pretty. And make sure that everything's kind of the same thickness all the way around. Okay, so once that layer is done, we're going to do our second layer, which is 1 egg. Oh, and I've got a shell in there. So let me take that out using my eggshell. And we have a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. That goes in there. This dessert is so easy to make, and if you like pecan pie, you're gonna love this one, because it's like a pecan pie type dessert, but you don't have to use any of that corn syrup that you usually have to use with like pecan pie. So 1 can of condensed milk, 1 egg. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of vanilla. Mix that all together. And once that is all combined, we're going to add 1.5 cups of chopped pecans. And this is an 8-ounce bag. You only need 4 ounces, so you only need 1/2 cup of toffee bits, which kind of look like peanuts, but they're actually toffee. Okay, and let's mix all of this together. Oh, this is so good. It's one of my favorite desserts to make. It's always a hit. And it is so simple to make. I hope you make this at home too. Do you guys like pecan pie? Do you guys actually say pecan or say pecan? Somebody, when I was in school in the South, I was told that a pecan is not a nut, it's something else. So I was always taught to say pecan, but you tell me how you pronounce pecan or pecan. Okay, so once that's all combined, we're gonna go ahead and pour that all over the top of our yellow cake base. And smush this all around, make sure that it's covering all of that cake base. And once that's done, this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour, and then we're going to cut it up once it cools. Oh, yes, look at how it turned out. It is, oh, it smells so good. Okay, so I'm just going to cut right into the middle because I can. And this should come out of the pan super easy because of that buttery, we use like that cake mix to make like a shortbread almost. But look, see, comes out super easy. This would be amazing with like some ice cream or something, but let's do a little taste test. So, oh my gosh, look at all those layers. It's got that cookie cake layer, and then it's got the toffee and the pecans. Didn't even have to use corn syrup. So if you're ever having a craving for like pecan pie, but you don't want to deal with all that corn syrup craziness. I love this, so I know what this is going to taste like. Perfect for bake sales. Oh my gosh, so good. Please make this. If you love pecan pie, you can't go wrong with this. It's so, so good.